Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Friday. Happy Friday to you guys, and I am decorating my front porch for fall. I am a little late, and that's because I was away on vacation with the hubby and the kids, but I am back and I am ready to decorate my porch for fall. So if you guys would love to see how I decorate my porch for fall, just continue to watch. So earlier I went to Home Depot and I purchased two of these really pretty mums. I love purchasing them when they are like this. That means they last a lot longer than when they are bloom. And then these pumpkins are what I had from last year, and then the wreath is from last year as well. And then I did pick up this doormat from Kirkland's last year. And my welcome sign I love, and it is a DIY project that I did last year as well. And then for over here, I stopped into Ross earlier and picked up these two pillows and this rug that I will be laying across right here. So let's get to decorating. So here is the final look, you guys, and I love how it turned out. It is so cozy and just so welcoming and inviting to my guests. I just love it, you guys. It turned out so good, and I just love over here. It's just so cute. I do have to go to Home Depot and grab the cute little scarecrow to put right here, but other than that, I think that's it. Oh, and I am going to get one more mum to go right here. So after getting those two items, it will be complete, and I just love it, you guys. It looks so good. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video and get some really nice ideas if you have not yet decorated your front porch for fall yet. So until I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.